I would like to start by actually make a special recognition to Dr. Masuka for pushing this and the fruition of this association. We'll probably talk about it more as we go on. Ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor to be part of this occasion. This occasion is very gratifying to many of us, including many of you still on councils who have muted the idea of forming an association of agricultural societies over the years. Many have spent quite some considerable time and effort towards nurturing this idea over the years. It is important for some of us to remember the time when we as Zimbabwe hosted the very famous Royal Agricultural Society of the Commonwealth, which is one of the mother and father of agricultural societies in the world. We hosted them here in 1983. It was that our getting together of associations and societies that we started realizing that individual societies can get together and form an association that is a living organism that spearheads agriculture. And more so that that organism should be independent and operate without any favors or pushing from anybody. This is why I've always over the years said the Agricultural Society is an independent organization representing the members of the organization. And I must emphasize that it's not a government body. It's a body of societies and members. Initially, and as we go on, deriving its authority from farmers who then form their own societies. The show societies themselves saw the need to coordinate their activities some years back. As I say, one of the times when this was pushed through was when we had to represent the Royal Agricultural Society of the Commonwealth. I said when we, because we stopped being when Zimbabwe was no longer a member of the Commonwealth. But I think for those who are here who are not very familiar with the day-to-day activities of the Zimbabwe Agricultural Society, we have been very honored in the society to have one of our members who has always attended the conferences of the Royal Agricultural Societies, which are John Strong and Margaret Strong. And they come and report back to us when they attend as individuals, except more recently. So we still have that linkage, although not a formal linkage. So we are very proud of being part of this international association. The importance of this is that it provides an opportunity for sharing common ideas and also delivering the desires of what you can showcase as excellence in agriculture. It's not a question of merely putting representations. It's a question of showcasing quality of produce, quality of product. It also provides a platform for the incremental advancement of agriculture in Zimbabwe. Ladies and gentlemen, the current macroeconomic environment has seen revenue for many show societies coming down considerably. Consequently, sustaining operations of these primary member-driven societies led societies to have major difficulties in terms of funding. I must say I'm very proud that 15 of you have seen it wise to make a contribution, and some come all the way here. Some say from Chipinge, from Chiredzi, from Matebele and from Victoria Falls. Some of us who have worked nationally. You know, some of these places are very different distance. To be able to get your society to contribute that money so that you come and spend here. I thank you very much for doing that. Mr. President, you should be very proud of it. Consequently, sustaining operations of these primarily member-driven organizations led societies to create common values. In many instances, annual membership fees are insignificant. Corporate sponsorship is dwindling, and exhibitors and showgoers numbers fluctuate annually, but overall are on the decline. Clearly, the only way of improving operational performance, containing costs and streamlining activities is to have a common platform to meet, discuss, and share ideas as how to improve the collective image of shows. You must have that collective image of the quality of shows. It is in this vein that the official launch of this National Association of Agricultural Societies of Zimbabwe should play a facilitatory and even catalytic role in ensuring that agricultural show societies remain relevant in the national agricultural development of Zimbabwe. We must remain relevant. Don't give first prizes to shows because it's Dr. Mpupawose's presentation. Give it on the quality of it. We have had situations where some people have forced their way to want to be recognized. Don't do it. It erodes from the quality of your organizations and societies. We must be proud of ourselves. Ladies and gentlemen, you have all been witnesses to the positive agricultural development today. We must share in the joy of the formation of the agricultural societies of Zimbabwe. However, their hard work now begins. The national associations should be true umbrella bodies, while the individual show societies will continue to strive to contribute, as in the past, to agricultural development in their own regions as autonomous societies. May I urge the National Agricultural Societies of Zimbabwe to ensure that show dates do not clash, so that exhibitors and other show goers can find time to attend as many shows as is possible in the year. That's the time when you share how to see value, how to see quality, and how to progress. This could also assist in generating additional and much needed revenue for the show societies in Zimbabwe. Let me just share with you a little experience I had some years back.